If you have ever been to a Patriot Sprint Tour event, you have undoubtedly seen Don Adamczak's familiar 21, a car that has won Best Appearing a record 7 times and has been to more Patriot events than any other. The driver is still going after his first career feature win, and that's what drives him.
We took some time off from asphalt. It just got to be a little, the fun wore out, and we went to see them when they came by. So I think it was Merrittville, was close to the house, and my dad and I walked around the pits, and not being one to go through life as a spectator, we looked at it and said we can do that. And the next year we bought a sprint car and came sprint car racing with the.
How tough was the transition from asphalt?
It was pretty difficult. We really thought that it really threw us for a loop. Just learning to drive dirt and then to drive the sprint car on top of it all with a wing and the different setups and everything else. It was a couple-year transition, but something we should have done a long time ago.
You made the commitment to the Patriot Sprint Tour from day one. What's it been like running with the Patriots for 9 years?
I don't consider the Patriots as a club more than a great group of friends that a lot of families here, and I really like that aspect of our sport, and and putting on a great show for the fans is a bonus for everybody.
You talk about families being a big part of the Patriot Sprint Tour. No bigger example than your family that supports you at every race.
Yeah, it's that's the only reason why we do it. It's very fortunate to have parents that support me in what I do and enjoy doing it with me, and of course have the health and time. It's been I couldn't ask for anything more.
You've had a couple girls over the last few years. How has that changed your perspective on racing?
It's definitely a time commitment, and I want to see them grow up and have the same opportunities that I had when I was a kid. And so it's a really big balance of home life and on the road with the Patriots in the summertime. But I'm fortunate to have a wife that's supportive also, and we're making it work.
You got just as much commitment as other teams, but maybe not the same type of operation. Talk about your operation a little bit.
We're pretty much a two-man show. My father builds the engines and does the paint work, and I assemble the cars and do the lettering. And it's we can't afford to sub anything out, nor could we pay for any to have somebody do it the stuff the way we want it done. You do stuff for yourself. You certainly take you spend a lot more time in detail on some things, and I think that's been a big part of the fun and success that we've had throughout the years. Is we have very little breakdowns, and everything's the way we want it when it hits the track.
You got like you said, pretty much same engine, cars over the years, paint scheme. You've won 7 Best Appearing. What kind of pride do you carry, not just your race car, but your whole operation?
It certainly makes things, coming from asphalt, we weren't used to dealing with the dirt, and my shop's right next to my kitchen at my house, so we got a small operation, so we got to keep everything clean from being tracked around, so that cleanliness plays a big part of it. What
would a feature win mean to you? You've come close a number of times. What would a win mean?
That's our goal. It's we certainly think this is the year to do it. We've got the best equipment we've had. We've got the best motor we've had. I got the best experience that I've ever had, and we would be disappointed coming out of the season without at least one feature win.
Talk about the experience. Each track, each year you go to, more experience, but how gratifying is it for you, looking back to maybe 5 years ago or something, seeing how much you've grown since then?
Oh, it's very gratifying. It's tough to say. I mean, it's seat time, it's muscle memory, it's you vision the tracks, it just feels like it feels like what you're supposed to do when the car's working really good, and you read the traffic, you react to what's out there, and you work your way to the front.
How long do you see yourself running these sprint cars?
I've been called the Brett Favre of sprint car racing. It's been my last year for the last 5 years, so who knows?
Who you been telling that it was your last year?
All my friends and family, so we'll see.